to the needs of all people, bringing healing and wholeness to the hurting and heartbroken through the love of Christ. Divine Television Network USA.
Good evening, good morning, from wherever you are watching me from. It is a blessed night, a blessed morning, and I give God all the glory because we are here. This is a new month, and I'm back for intercessory prayers. God bless you so much. This is Divine Television Network USA, and my name is Pastor Cathy Ngari. We'll be praying together with you. So I want to give you a few seconds so that you can share with your friends, invite them for this moment of prayer, tag somebody, do a watch party. Let them know that we are here for prayers. We are praying, we are praying, we are praying. We are at a time where we just need to pray and encourage one another to keep praying. Jesus has taught us how to pray, so we will pray. So invite your friends, let them know that we are here at Evangelist Sarah Mbogo Facebook, and we are here for prayer. I also want to ask you to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Divine Television Network. Please like, comment, and God will bless you as you do that. We appreciate you for your support. We appreciate you for every beautiful thing that you do, always being there, praying together with us, going to our pages and checking what God is doing to us. And we also thank God for the testimonies that you share with us, whatever the Lord is doing through us. We are so grateful. We are here to give hope, and we'll continue doing so as we thank you so much. I'm giving you just a few minutes to keep on inviting courage for this. Thank you, Father. We bless God. We bless God. Appreciate the family for your support.